So if you have any other provinces for paper one, please send me. It doesn't have to have a memo. Just send me the question. We can figure out the memo, guys. You and I can figure out the memo. That is the point. If we work like that, then by November, anything they throw at us. Remember, in November, you're not going to have a memo. So you got to get used to answering questions and then looking at what the answer is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the revision that I'm doing with my learners on YouTube, right? So I'm going to post those videos from Monday, but I'm going to post the questions on the community page from Friday and also on the Facebook page, which has the same name. I don't know. I feel like it's easier to see the questions on Facebook than it is on the community. I don't know. I can't use it properly, maybe. But yeah, guys, like, this is polishing the basics. This is the kind of revision where you try to make sure that you get a total maximum marks in question 1 and question 2, because it's possible. It's highly possible. It doesn't matter who you are. It's highly possible to get 24 out of 24 in question 1. So that's what we did. We polished question 1 questions. We did 4 of them from different question papers. We're still going to continue doing more. Also, if you notice, from question 1, it's all the grade 10 topics. So eventually I will bring a little bit of grade 10 topics as well. So just to make sure. Yeah, follow up. If you want to follow the revision that I'm doing with my learners right now from June 16, we are on day 5. So we did 16, 17, 19, and 20. Today is going to be day 5, 21. And that was all covering question 1s, 4 question 1s, and we did yesterday. We did 2 question 2s, and today we're going to do two more question 2s, right? Yeah. So they write the questions first, and then we do them together, and that's the best way. I find that's the best way to revise. Right? So when I'm revising the question, I everything, like, for example, if a question says, what is net pay? I don't just like go over the net pay. I bring everything else that could be asked on that question, like what is gross income? What is basic allowance? What is basic income? What is annual gross income? All those things, like what is business income, the difference between a business income and a personal income, where you can get how do you identify personal income? And they'll ask things like what's a budget. So all those things I would then revise them on that same question, and that's why it takes long. So you're like, why are you doing 2 questions in such a long session? Because I don't just revise what's on the question, right? So please make sure that you follow and look at and keep out for the questions and do the questions. There's no point in revising the entire question paper if it keeps making you want to reject maths literacy. Let's focus. Let's take it one bite at a time, and then eventually do a whole question, and then you'll see. That's how it works. It's proven, guys. It's been proven.